YouTube, what's up? It is the Anonymous Sneakerhead. I am back with another video for y'all, man. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Also, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Let's get into today's video. Alright, y'all, so I am back with my second episode of Sneaker Talk. If y'all like that name, let me know in the comments. I think I'm just going to call it Sneaker Talk when I get on here and just talk about sneakers and everything that's going on in the culture and what's going on with me. So let's get into it without further ado. My first video of 2020. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everyone was safe. Had happy holidays, all of that. And real quick, let's just get into what we got going on in the month of January. So coming up, I can't think of the date off of the top of my head, so let me grab this. Okay, so on January 11th, coming up, what's that, next weekend, we have the reverse He Got games coming out right here, those 13s. These are actually dope to me, at least from the pictures that I saw. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure the retail price off the top of my head. Do I think they'll sit? No. I don't think the retail or the resale value on them is going to be too crazy though. But we do have the He Got Game 13s coming out, the reverse He Got games, and I think it's definitely a great pickup, especially if you catch some L's on things that are going to come out later in the month that I'll get into right now. So the main question I have for you guys in this video is, well, we found out that we are going to be getting the DMP the DMP 6s and the Black Cat 4s on the same day, and that is January 25th. So my question for y'all is, which one do you like more? I know me personally, I've never been a big fan of Jordan 6s. Never really wore Jordan 6s like that. I have owned some and sold them, but I much prefer 4s. 4s are one of my favorite silhouettes, and I love black 4s. Didn't get a chance to get the last release of the Black Cat 4s, so I'm really excited to these two. So if money's tight, some people are just going to go out and get both, but for those that money's tight, like it probably will be for me, I'm planning on only getting the Black Cat 4s. Hopefully I can get my hands on those. They're retailing for $190. The DMP 6s are retailing for, I believe, $200, so around the same price. But leave down below in the comments what you guys think. What are you looking forward to the most, the DMP 6s or the Black Cat 4s? Neither? Do you have something else do you want to pick up? Are you going to get both? Let me know. Just so you guys know, for me personally, this year in 2020, I probably won't be buying as many shoes as I bought this past year in 2019. I think in 2019 I bought somewhere around 13 or 14, 15. I bought a lot of pairs of shoes. I can't even keep track because I sold a lot of shoes too. I bought a lot of shoes in 2019. 2020 is going to be a much slower year as far as the shoes that I buy to keep for myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be buying shoes to flip. Not going to lie to you. I'm going to buy shoes and try to get my hands on pairs to resell. I'm going to try to get my hands on those off-white 5s that we got coming out to flip. Nothing I'm really looking forward to. If those Travis Scott 6s come out, I'm going to try to flip them. But for me, the only shoes that I'm really, really excited about in 2020, as of right now anyways, at least what we know that we have coming out, is these Black Cat 4s. I really want the Black Cat 4s. That might be at the top of my list right now. And then the New Beginnings pack that's supposed to be coming out next month. Estimated retail for those is $350. It's going to be an extremely difficult pickup. Odds are, you know what I'm saying, numbers say that I probably won't be able to get a pair, but I'm going to shoot my shot. You know what I'm saying? Regular sneakerhead, just like all of you, don't have all of the connections. I have some pretty good connections. I might be able to get my hands on a pair, but I don't buy anything resale, so I'm going to try to grab those for the $350 retail tag. See if I could get both of those and keep them in the collection. Really looking forward to having a pair of airships in the collection. And then the final shoe, which we may not be getting, I've heard some people say we're not getting, I've heard some people say it's confirmed, is the Chicago 1s, the 1985 Chicago 1s. I need a pair of those for the collection. One of the OG colorways of the shoes. I'm really trying to stock up on all of my OG Jordans, you know what I'm saying, the Bread 11s, the Cement 3s, a Bread 4, even Black Cat 4s, you know what I'm saying. I'm really trying to bulk up on OG colorways of Jordans, just to have for the collection, the airships coming out, things like that, just because of what Michael Jordan meant to not just basketball, but the sneaker game as well. So that's really what I'm mostly excited about grabbing this year. Like, will I try to grab the DMP 6s as well? Yes. To pimp views with a video, as Skip Goes Hard would say. You know what I mean? To pimp views and flip and resell, because I know the resale value on those is going to be crazy. And I'm trying to think what else is, like I said, the Off-White 5s that we should be getting, the Travis Scott Dunks, flip, pimp views and flip. That's my goal as far as what I'll be rocking on foot, man. Not too much that I'm super excited about, at least what I saw from what's out right now. We do have on the sneakers app coming out soon. I did just see it today. Those 2 Air Max 90s coming out, the Volt Green and the purple ones. The Volt Green ones, or vertical green, whatever they're calling them, I'm really interested in. It's kind of like a paying homage to the original colorway of the Air Max, I think it was 95 in the Air Max 90 colorway, so that's fire. But that's all for what's coming up. So like I said, just to recap, DMP 6's Black Hats coming out the same day. Really looking forward to the Black Hats. He Got Games are coming out on the 11th. Don't think there's going to be too much resale value there, so I'm not going to go for them. New Beginners Pack next month, something I'm definitely looking forward to get into, and I'll probably talk about it more on the next episode of Sneaker Talk. And yeah, that's it. Just me flipping and trying to grow the channel this year, man. Really, I'm trying to, my goal is by December 31st, 2020 to have at least 1,000 subscribers. There will be multiple giveaways this year. Planning on doing a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. So please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And that's it for the video as far as Sneaker Talk with upcoming videos. If that's all y'all came here to see, you can shut the video off right now. Just a couple quick things I wanted to cover real quick is just so you guys know a little about me. Me and my girlfriend are kind of, I guess, in a long distance relationship-ish. We went to the same school together. She lives like 3 hours away, so I don't see her that often. I see her more often when I'm in school. Didn't get to see her on Christmas Day, so I saw her, went down there for New Year's, and stayed a couple days there. And I got my Christmas present from her, and I just want to break down everything that I got there because it's really dope, and I thought it would be some cool content for the channel. So starting off, the first thing right away, I have this. There was a gift card in the box, a Nike sneaker gift card for the Sneakers app or the Sneakers website. It's like a little sneaker box. I don't know if you guys can see it. Really cool. Not going to show you the other side because it has my name on it, but you could see the detail in this box. They have it on all Nike outlets. I've seen them before and just never had a reason to buy one or get one, but now she got me one, which is awesome. Definitely already put it in my sneakers account, so I'm planning on using it towards the Black Cat 4s when they do come out. See if I can get them for $160 because that would be great. If not, once those denim 6s go on sale, I might throw it on there. But that's another topic for another day. She also got me this little box right here. As you guys can see it behind me? It's kind of like a mini Jordan 3 box. You know what I'm saying? Mini Jordan 3 box, Nike Air Jordan. Got all the whatever labeling down there, and on the size, can you see it? It's really funny to me. The size is 1/6. So what came in here, obviously the box is empty right now, but what she got me on this keychain, something I thought was fire, was this little white cement 3. One of the OG colorways of the Jordan 3. I do not have a white cement, but I do have a black cement, but you guys can see it right here. The white cement Jordan 3 keychain, really detailed, has laces, all that. Got the little bubble on the side. I think that's fire. Really excited. Good piece to my keychain. As you can see, it's pretty boring, and it came with this leather strap right here, which is great because I needed a new strap or something. My lanyard was ripping apart, and it has the, can you see it, the little Jordan tag on there, and it says Air Jordan on the back. So that's dope. And then, like I said, you guys saw all of this. If you follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, make sure you follow that. But the big part of the gift that I was really excited about is she did get me a pair of sneakers, and here they are real quick. Boom. So here's the pair of sneakers that she got me. You guys can see the box already. You know what it is. You got the Nike right there. So obviously, what does this mean? It's an Air Jordan 1 box, but it's the reverse color. Instead of this being black and this being red, it's reversed. So it is part of the Fearless pack that we got. Multiple releases of different shoes throughout November. Take the top off. I took the top off. And in here you got the fear card, the no fear card. You've seen it on a bunch of videos throughout the year. I'm not gonna get into too much of a review on it. I have my crease protectors in there, and then you got your Fearless paper. What does it say on the Fearless paper? Limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. And it says that over and over, so that's dope. A great quote by Michael Jordan. So don't limit yourself and don't fold to your fears. So now let's get into what's in the box real quick. Not a full review, just something I'm really excited about. Let's take out the left shoe right here. And as you guys can see it, it is the Maison Chateau Rouge Air Jordan 1 mid fire shoe. Really happy that she got this for me. When it came out, I didn't have the funds to get it at the time because I was getting a bunch of other shoes doing things for the channel. But these are dope right here. As you can see, the pastel colorways. You got that creamy color throughout here, that pastel yellow, pastel blue with the little pop on the Wings logo. It pops out a little bit, and you can see the different textures right there. Just to draw to African culture from Maison Chateau, who is a French artist or a French designer, but he, in a lot of his designs, he draws back on African culture. You can see the StockX tag right there. I really like this lacing on the top of the tongue. Reminds me of a baseball. And then what else do we have? What are some other quick hits of the shoe? You got the nice tips on the laces right there to match the rest of the shoe. And then you get a brown lace option. I might go 1-in-1 with the same lace tips. Yellow outsole. And all in all, man, this shoe is tough. Definitely gonna wear it a lot. Thank you. Shout out to my girl for getting me these. I was not expecting it at all, but definitely something I'm excited to add to the collection, add to the rotation. And I'm gonna be wearing a lot. This little, am I the only one? If you zoom in on this little brown part right here, am I the only one that this reminds me of an ice cream cone? Anyways, I just wanted to point that out. But yeah, man, that's it for this episode of Sneaker Talk, man. Let me know what y'all think about the name. Should I keep it Sneaker Talk? Should it be called Sneaker Talk? Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Let me know what you guys think about these right here. I definitely think that they are a cop. They're not reselling for too much. I think that these are fire. But yeah, let me know. Follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, and I will see you guys at the next video.